1-0 in Carolina. Panthers won the 2 meetings right after Thanksgiving. They blew out Carolina twice. Well, the Hurricanes remember that. Bobrovsky quickly, first save of the game on Jarvis. Came about 15 seconds in. Aho's line against Barkov's line, the top line matchup. Sebastian Aho with the puck, feeds the point, quick shot deflected wide. Slavin will step in and play it back around to the veteran Burns with a shot, he scores! And Carolina gets one on the opening shift.
Yeah, Carolina right off this first shift, they kept it in, round to the outside. There's the shot. It might have deflected off of Barkov. Let's take another look here. We'll get the angle right here. Watch Barkov right in front of the net, and I think it did, yes. Just barely went off of Barkov. Right there, and then into the short side.
In a spot where that occurs. So tough one there. Carolina's got the 1-0 lead. So they'll like their first shift is
games for the veteran defenseman.
It is amazing. All those years in San Jose. Chatfield shot wide. Tkachuk after it, chipped it ahead. Eetu Luostarinen on the wing with Bennett and Tkachuk again tonight. Paul Maurice liked what he saw from that line. Last game against the Rangers, Luostarinen scored a goal on just the second shift for that line.
Well, you know Carolina's going to come in. The last 2 times the team that was at home and home, the Panthers just spanked them. 6-3 in Carolina, 6-0 here on home ice.
Here's a chance. Natchez stick save. Bobrovsky way out to meet him. They played together for years in Finland before Anton was first-round pick of the Panthers and came over here. Yask on the ice now. Greer right to the net. 6 years old, gets his first NHL game. Lundell was so excited for him. They're good buddies. Chatfield up high with a shot. Save Bobrovsky. Yaska was right out in front of the net. Hurricanes hold in. Blake dancing his way up the wall. Here's Orlov faking the shot, now taking the slapper. Bobrovsky with a save in the glove. Jarvis at 35 seconds. Fastest an opponent's scored this year to start a game against the Panthers. Point shot here, stick save Bobrovsky. Rebound in front, it's a penalty on the Panthers. And Nate Schmidt's on it. Off the boards, not out. Roslovic able to hold it in. Burns shooting. Steered away. Luostarinen, good hit on Walker. Adam Boqvist getting out of the box. Here's Burns into the slot. He fires, glove save by Bobrovsky, and he'll hang on to it.
And that Roslovic, that's who the Panthers, one of the stars I got to keep an eye on.
Here's Aho in front for Roslovic. Oh, what a save! Sergei Bobrovsky stretching out with the left leg. Absolutely robbing Roslovic.
I think they've called the Sunrise Police right here. Roslovic, he's got Bobrovsky dead to rights, and that extension, and it's the last part of that pad. Look at, just gets it on the puck and denies the goal.
22 goals is his career high, and he's already at 17. Second most in a season. Stretch pass for Hagee's in! For Hagee! And it goes wide. He lost his stick.
Now this replay is sponsored by your local Toyota dealers, and here's Verhaeghe all alone, makes a quick move, but Chekhov, he just read it perfectly, but that's where you want Verhaeghe stretching out, splitting the D, going in all by himself. He's feeling it right now. Verhaeghe, he's squeezing that stick maybe a little bit too much. He's got 1 goal in his last 11 games.
Out to center looking for Luostarinen. He's in a battle. Takes a hit from Stahl, keeps on moving. Eetu, great effort. Here's Tkachuk shooting, save, Kochetkov.
Right inside the blue line, spins away from traffic, and this fires a no-look pass cross ice. He knows that Tkachuk's coming in. Glove save as Bennett was over on the far side, but I think you see there was just no room as Burns had laid down the defenseman to try and slip.
Chatfield, the defenseman, hit by Reinhart. Reinhart got caught up high there by Chatfield. Trying to shake it off. Orlov, cross ice speed. What a save by Bobrovsky. He got over on Sebastian Aho on that one-timer. And Sergei keeps it at a 1-0 game. Aho shoots again, blocked down at the net. Roslovic in behind, stolen by Barkov. Lead pass Rodriguez. He'll chip in. Pressure on Orlov by Rodriguez. Rodriguez works the turnover. Boqvist in front. Here's a chance. Score! Anton Lundell has tied this game.
Ding, fries are done. Look at Rodriguez. Puck separation. Gets back up. Shovels it over to Boqvist, then to Lundell, and in the back of the net. You can't draw it up any better. The effort was there, the hustle.
It comes in the slot, the Hurricanes are there. They break in over the Panther line. Knocked away on the back check. Here's Barkov, breakaway. Sasha to the net. Kochetkov with the save.
Separate him. Look at Verhaeghe. He knew that there was somebody going to be in the middle of the ice, and that was Barkov. He tried to go open up Kochetkov's legs, go between the wickets, and that just didn't work. He was down early.
Verhaeghe sends it in. Here's Lundell charging to the net, shooting, and Kochetkov makes the save.
Around the stick of the defenseman. Watch this. Right there. And then puts it on his forehand. You got to be quick with it there, and then it's almost like a pass to yourself. You just, from backhand the forehand, and then you just slap that puck one time. And
as the Hurricanes clear, Balinskis went down at center. Here's Lundell at the line. Lead feed. Verhaeghe's in. And Kochetkov with a huge stop.
Nice nifty little play there by Lundell. Look, he just puts it in the open ice so Verhaeghe can skate into it. But look at how far Kochetkov is out of his crease. He just comes flying out to take down the best of the angle he could.
Samoskevich. Kicked ahead by Nosek. Played by the Hurricanes. Look out, Panthers in a change. Jarvis moves in. And Bobrovsky says no. Helmet of Forsling as he was skating back. Now he sends it ahead. Verhaeghe to chip. Boqvist moves in. Jesper Boqvist centers. The chance, and Kochetkov the save on Ekblad.
Where this pass was going after Boqvist, he decides not to go in front of the net. He hits the trailer with Ekblad. Unfortunately, he just couldn't handle it. Watch the puck go, and it's close to his skates. It's bobbling, and all Ekblad can do is just slap at that puck.
Cleared ahead, Martinuk looking in front, the feed. Kotkaniemi goes down, slides into Bobrovsky.
Look out.
No whistle, and Bobrovsky's got to make the save, and then the shot. And they score.
They refuse to blow the whistle.
And Carolina's got the lead. Well, that's just a strange looking play right there.
By Carolina, out in front. There's the collision. And the play continues. Bobrovsky makes the save, and then he couldn't make the second save.
He was looking back. I think he thought he was waiting for the whistle, but it never came. The net was not dislodged. We'll get an announcement from the official here. 13. Ekblad ahead, Tkachuk. He looks, Bennett streaking in, Bennett's got a chance! Kochetkov with another big stop. Lundell waits and shoots! Knocked down, Reinhart shot block. Final minute of the period, sponsored by Anajar and Levine. Ekblad, Tkachuk with a chance, slap shot, save, rebound, and couldn't stuff it in! Kochetkov has lost his stick, but Svechnikov is able to clear the zone. Panthers knock it away, they're still alive. Loose along the boards. And cleared to center by Carolina. 35 left. Look out, Svechnikov has it. Net empty in front, Natchez, and they deflect it in. And it's 3-1 Hurricanes.
Well, the Panthers had their chance in that last shift, and they took their time out. They got the Barkov and the personnel out there. And then back the other way after Carolina got possession, and it goes off of Verhaeghe.
And Carolina will get away with the win. 3-1, the final from Amerant Bank Arena.
And A.J. Greer is over at the Carolina bench. There's a lot of conversation going on there.